Ready to unlock a world of amazing African entertainment right on your smart TV? First, power on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. This might be called something slightly different depending on your TV brand, like Google Play Store for Android TVS, LG Content Store for LG TVS, or Samsung Apps for Samsung TVS. Look for an icon that resembles a shopping bag or a grid of squares. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function. Type Waka TV into the search bar using your remote. Make sure you spell it correctly. Locate the Waka TV app in the search results. The icon usually has the Waka TV logo on it. Click on the app to open its description page. On the app description page, you'll find an install button. Click on it to begin downloading and installing Waka TV on your smart TV. The download and installation process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Be patient and let it complete. Once the installation is complete, the Waka TV app icon will appear on your smart TV's home screen or in your app section. Launch the Waka TV app. You might be prompted to sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. You can now start browsing and streaming your favorite African movies and TV shows on Waka TV, right from your smart TV. Enjoy.